One of the issues that LED headlights like this face is that their internal resistance is so low that vehicles like this cannot detect them and assumes that it is not working properly, thus having an error in the dash. Let's see if the Auxito LED headlights has fixed that. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be installing Auxito LED headlights for this 2005 Porsche Cayenne. Now, Auxito claims that they were able to fix the low internal resistance that is causing the warning error headlight in the dash. Let's see if it's true. But before we can replace the headlight bulb, we need a Porsche special tool to remove the headlight assembly. That special tool is located in your trunk, so open your trunk, open the cover of the tailgate, and that special tool should be located here on your Porsche toolkit. This is the special Porsche tool that you will need. If you don't have it, you can buy it from your local dealer, Amazon or eBay, or most recently at AliExpress. Or if you don't want to buy one, you can use a 6mm socket with a long extension so you can reach the headlight locking mechanism. With the special tool in hand, locate the cover for the locking mechanism for the headlight assembly. You will see the sign in front of it. Now, on the front, press downward to open it. And it should open up. Now look inside, then you'll see the locking mechanism that you need to connect with the end of the special tool. So slide it in and turn it clockwise until the headlight assembly pops off or pops forward. Now with it forward, just carefully wiggle it out. There you go. Now at the back of the headlight assembly, the back of the cover is held up by two retaining clips, metal clips. So just push them outward to release them. Alright, with the metal retaining clips on the side, pull the back cover. Here is the current headlight, so pull down the connecting wire. Then push this retaining clip forward, then upward to clear this hook. Open it up, then now you can pull the headlight. And that's your current headlight. Now let's open up the box for the Auxito LED headlights. Oh, this is a surprise. So it comes with gloves so that you don't have to touch the LED part of the headlight. I know that it is LED, but it is still safer to not touch the LED. Same with the bulbs, so that your hand's moisture and oil doesn't transfer from your hand to the LED bulbs or incandescent bulbs. Now here's the side-by-side comparison of the LED bulb and the HID bulb. Now just for reference, the difference between the D1R, D1S, and D3R are just the cutouts on the base of the headlights. The nice thing about the Auxito is it has all the cutouts so that it doesn't matter which one you have, either D1S, D1R, or D3R, D3S, because it will fit. That's the only difference. The connectors are all the same. So let's put in one of the LED headlights. To install the new LED headlight, it's just a reverse on how we remove the old one. So let's install it on the base of the headlight assembly. Now let's install the metal retainer clip that holds it in place and install the wiring harness. Now let's put the back cover. And push in back the retainer clips. Now let's install the headlight assembly. Now let's put back the headlight assembly. Here at the bottom of the headlight assembly, there are tabs that you need to align with the guides of the base for the headlight. So put in the headlight, align the guides, make sure that they are aligned. Then slightly push it in, and when it's in position, turn the special tool counterclockwise and you will hear a pop that indicates that the headlight is in lock position. There you go. Then pull out your special tool and put back the cover for the locking mechanism. Okay, so from inside the vehicle, as you can see, there are no warning lights. So they did fix the lower resistance issue. Yay.
Yes!
And looking from here, it is slightly higher in intensity. Not mind-blowing, but it is slightly higher. I just want to point that out. And the spread of the light is slightly wider. And that is how to install Auxito LED headlights for this 2005 Porsche Cayenne. I'm very happy that they were able to eliminate the error on the dash with the headlights. But wait, there's more. If you want to order the same headlights, just click on the link on the description below and you can use the promo code HowToHelen to save 15% off your total order. Again, the coupon code is HowToHelen, just like our channel. So that is another episode of How to Helen. My name's RJ, and thank you for watching.